Okay, the video that was on my list that I'm doing tonight is from the Abu TV Song Festival 2019. It's a song that we are familiar with, SOS, but I believe every time he does it, he gives it just a little tweak here and there on his presentation of it. The Abu TV Song Festival, it's an annual, and this one was the 8th annual. It's a non-competitive event. Took place in Tokyo, and this year, in 2019, it coincided with the 56th General Assembly of the Asian Pacific Broadcasting Union, which is ABU, which is why they presented the festival. There were 11 countries that took place in there. They were Vietnam, Australia, Macau, Japan, Indonesia, Hong Kong, Turkey, South Korea, Kazakhstan, India, and China. Now, among those countries, there are a couple of artists that performed that I was familiar with. The Korean one, Twice, the girl group, and of course Dimash representing Kazakhstan, and Na Ying from China on there. So it was not a competition, but a showcase. 11 countries, 14 songs were performed. They had special performances from a couple of the performers as well. So tonight I am going to be listening to, as I said earlier, another version of SOS. So let's get going with that.
Now let's enjoy SOS Don't Stay Home on the Left by Dimash Kudaibergen from Kazakhstan.
Je vis, pourquoi je meurs, pourquoi je ris, pourquoi je pleure. Voici le SOS, citoyen en détresse. J'ai mûri pieds sur terre. Je crois me prendre à besoin, soldat de ma foi. Voudrais voler montagne à face. Je commence par tableau. No pauvre d'anneau. Tiens, j'ai toujours confondu la vie avec les conditions. Je connais envie de mettre à ma force. Je sens quelque chose qui m'attire, qui m'attire, qui m'attire. Voler. que je vis, que je meurs, que je ris, que je pleure. J'y crois comme des hommes, mérite notre rose. J'ai mieux que souffrir.
Okay, just two things that I noticed that I think were a little bit different from some of his earlier ones, and that's his use of the stage. And the very first one I heard of him singing this, of course, that was on The Singer, where he pretty much stood in place and sang much of the song, going down to his knees at one point. This one he moved around a little bit more, and I think he added a little something before that last phrase. I'll have to go back and listen to that again, but I think he added a little bit of a trill somewhere in there that made it a little bit different. But all in all, it is another performance of a wonderful song that he does sublimely well. And with that, I am going to let this one go for tonight. Have a good one, everybody. And as always, I wish everyone, especially in what's going on right now in the world, I wish you peace.